Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by logging into the CP Plus DVR/NVR as an administrator. This gives you delete privileges and prevents lockouts. Once done, connect a monitor and mouse, or open the web client using the device IP and port to control files. Make sure to check disk health and recording schedule so you know what to remove and why. This prevents accidental loss of important footage. It also tells you whether to delete single files, date ranges, or perform a full format of the storage. You now navigate to Playback or the File Management menu and pick the camera channel and date range containing the footage. Use the calendar and time slider to precisely mark clips. This reduces the risk of removing unrelated hours. Then select individual files or multiple files for batch deletion and check the listed file sizes to ensure you're deleting the intended segments. After selection, click Delete or Erase, and when prompted, confirm with your admin password so the system logs the action. You finish by emptying any recycle or soft delete area on the CP Plus system so space is actually reclaimed. Make sure to monitor free disk space afterward and reconfigure recording schedules if needed. If deleted files still appear, check whether the storage is mounted read-only or a RAID array has failed. These conditions block writes. As a quick fix, reboot the device, rescan storage, and, if necessary, restore critical footage from backups before repeating the deletion process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.